Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ganang Ramadan. I'm from Technical Department 2 Alpha. Now, I will be presenting my presentation about PPI or Personal Protective Equipment. What is a personal protective equipment? Personal protective equipment is equipment that will protect the user against harm or safety risks at work. It can include items such as safety helmets, gloves, eye protection, high visibility clothing, safety footwear, and safety harness. It also includes respiratory protective equipment. Why is PPE is so important? The reason number one is making the workplace safe include providing instruction procedure, training and supervision to encourage people to work safety and responsibility. The reason number two is effort with engineering control and safe system of work have been applied some hazard may remain. And what is standard about PPA? So we have a four reason or four ways for answer for standard PPI. The first is from OSHA or Occupational Safety Health Administration. The second is CFR, Code of Federal Regulation, and the third is WHO, World Health Organization, and the last is HICE, Health Safety Environment. So for PPI have a standard minimum protection who must follow the rule for rule from this and type of personal protective equipment. We have a some type for PPI. The first is for respiration protection, eye protection, heart protection, and hand protection, and food protection, health protection, work from hex, skin protection, and other personal protective equipment. And now I want to give you example and make the easy describe about example of PPI. The first is head protection. Head protection. Wearing PPI for head protection will help you avoid any harm that might come to you from falling material or swinging objects. Moreover, the head protection are designed to protect you from knocking against stationary objects. Some kind of head protection equipment like helmet, hard hats, bomb caps, or other. And the second is hand protection. Arm, hand, and finger are often injured, and therefore it is vital to wear and protection equipment when it is required. The hand protection equipment can ensure protection against health, cold vibration, burn caused by sharp objects, bacterial risks, and chemical contamination. And the third is eye and face shield or face protection. Numbers are scary every day. More than 600 workers worldwide suffer from eye injuries. Such injury can be avoided simply by wearing the proper eye and face protection equipment. As example of such PPI can be mentioned the following ones: safety glass and goggles, eye and face shield, eyewear accessories, office space, and other equipment. The third is respiratory protection. The respiratory protection covers a broad group of PPI: breathing apparatus, full face or half-mask respiration, powered respirator, protective hold, spot face mask, detector monitor, or other. And then hearing protection. The hearing protection or equipment is vital when working in environment with high sound level. The type of hearing protection should not only be suitable for working environment but also provide a level of hygiene and comfort to the user. A good practice is to provide employees with a range of protector and then allow them to select the ones which suit them the best. For example, is earplugs, nose meter, or communication. And for the low protection is a foot protection. The foot protection equipment is designed to protect the feet or legs against various hazards such as extreme temperature, crushing, freezing, slipping, cutting, chemical and electrically. It is typically required when users are involved in condition active, working in very cool or hot environment, working with a chemical and forestry, or when manually handling heavy objects. As a example of foot protection equipment is safety board, shoes, and anti-static and conductive footwear. For body protection, usually body protection equipment is required in the following case: for protection against weather conditions, ensuring the high visibility of user when they walk in areas where there is mixed vehicle; for user protection against extreme temperature, ensuring protection against environment throwing chemical contamination. For example, for body protection is life jacket, clothing for specific weather conditions, high visibility clothing, harness, and others. And the last is height and access protection. This type is highly specialized and usually requires users to undergo thorough training before they are allowed to use it. The height and access protection equipment must be inspected periodically by a competent person to ensure it is still fit for use and the health and safety of user is not threatened in any way. As a sample of height and access protection equipment can be mentioned the following ones: fall arm system, body harness, lowering harness, rescuing, lifting, energy absorbs, and other. So there are petition from me about PPR, personal protective equipment. Thanks for watching and say thank you and goodbye.